The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. An unusual event is currently taking place in the Denver metropolitan area. There have been reports coming in that approximately a quarter of the population of Denver has simultaneously committed suicide. It is unknown how or why this is happening, and city officials are at a loss to explain this event. It is also unknown at this time whether or not this was a terrorist attack or a planned event. Stay tuned to this station for further updates regarding this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Walla Walla Police Department. An unusual event is currently taking place in the city of Walla Walla. Reports have come in that a mass suicide has taken place in downtown Walla Walla, with nearly half the population dead due to this event. Since the nature of this event is completely unknown at this time, city officials are ordering all residents to stay inside their residence until further notice. A similar event occurred in Denver, Colorado 2 hours ago, with a quarter of the population committing suicide there as well. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington and Colorado State Police. Reports have come in that more mass suicides have taken place in the states of Washington and Colorado, and are out of control at this time. As a result of this unusual event, all residents in Colorado and Washington are ordered to go home and stay inside until further notice. All city police in Washington and Colorado have been ordered to check residents' homes for guns and collect them. Any resistance will result in 2 years in jail and a $10,000 fine. There is still no known reason on why this is happening. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation. An administrative message, transmitted by order of the governors of Washington and Colorado. All the mass suicides have ended. You are now allowed to leave your place of residence and continue with your day. The reason why so many mass suicides have occurred has now been confirmed. Two friends, Alex Hogan and Patrick McKnight, were outraged at the banning of marijuana. They wanted to protest it by persuading hundreds of thousands of other people that were willing to kill themselves in order to protest. Unfortunately, the message that they wanted to get the government to legalize marijuana again was poorly transmitted, and resulted in mass panic across the western states. Both Hogan and McKnight have been detained and are both in custody. Both the governors of Washington and Colorado have said that this type of protest is completely unwarranted, and if it happens again that it would not be tolerated. This ends all operations of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.